17 highest paying jobs of the future Africans should start learning now. What if the career you are studying for today could become less valuable in just a few years? And what if, at the same time, completely new careers were about to create some of the biggest opportunities for Africans around the world? According to the World Economic Forum's Future of Jobs Report 2025, the global job market is going through a major transformation, with technology, artificial intelligence, automation, and digitalization changing the kinds of workers companies will need. The report estimates that tens of millions of jobs could disappear while millions of new roles are created. So, if you're a student, graduate, job seeker, or professional in Ghana, Nigeria, Kenya, South Africa, Uganda, Rwanda, or anywhere else in Africa, this video is for you. Today, we're counting down 16 future-proof careers that could become increasingly valuable, including some that can potentially be done remotely for international companies. And stay until the end, because I'll also reveal 5 types of jobs facing serious decline. Let's get started. Number 16, Delivery and Logistics Drivers. This one might surprise you. With all the talk about artificial intelligence and self-driving vehicles replacing drivers, you might expect driving jobs to disappear completely. But the source predicts strong growth in light truck and delivery service roles, driven largely by the continued expansion of e-commerce. Think about what is happening across Africa. Online shopping is expanding. Food delivery is expanding. E-commerce businesses are growing. And every product purchased online eventually has to move from one location to another. That means logistics is becoming increasingly important. For Africans, this isn't just about becoming a driver. There are opportunities in logistics management, fleet management, supply chain technology, delivery operations, and e-commerce logistics. Number 15, Internet of Things Specialists. Your refrigerator can become smart. Your car can communicate with other systems. Factories can monitor machines automatically. Homes can be controlled through connected devices. This is the world of the Internet of Things, or IoT. IoT specialists help build the systems that allow physical devices to communicate, collect data, and respond intelligently. The source gives a median salary of around $83,000 per year for this career. And here's the important part. IoT isn't just about gadgets. It's being used in agriculture, healthcare, transportation, manufacturing, security, and smart cities. That makes it particularly interesting for Africa. Number 14, UI and UX Designers. Here's one career that many people can start learning without spending years getting another university degree. UI and UX Design. Every business wants a website. Every company wants an app. Every digital platform needs to be easy to use. And as businesses move online, the quality of the user experience becomes increasingly important. The source cites approximately 48% growth for these roles and a median salary of about $86,000. And this is particularly interesting for Africans because UI and UX design can often be performed remotely. You could live in Accra, Lagos, Nairobi, or Kigali and potentially work with clients thousands of kilometers away. Number 13, Environmental Engineers. Climate change, pollution, waste management, and water systems are becoming major global challenges. Environmental engineers work on solutions to these problems. They can help with wastewater treatment, pollution reduction, waste management, and environmental protection. The source puts the median salary around $90,000 per year. As African cities grow and infrastructure expands, these skills could become increasingly important across the continent. Number 12, Data Analysts and Data Scientists. This is one of the biggest opportunities on our list. Companies today are collecting enormous amounts of information. But data by itself is useless if nobody understands it. That's where data analysts and data scientists come in. They transform huge amounts of information into insights that companies can actually use. The source estimates demand for these professionals could increase by approximately 41%, with a cited median salary of about $104,000. And the best part? Data skills are needed across almost every industry. Finance, healthcare, retail, technology, Marketing. Agriculture. If you're looking for a career that can cross industries and potentially cross borders, data is definitely worth learning. Number 11. Blockchain developers. When many people hear blockchain, they immediately think about cryptocurrency. But blockchain technology is much broader than crypto. It can be used for financial systems, supply chains, healthcare, digital records, and other applications where transparency and secure data management are important. The source gives blockchain developers a median salary of around $105,000. For Africans, this could be particularly interesting because blockchain technology is already being explored for areas such as financial inclusion and cross-border transactions. Number 10. Data warehousing specialists. Here's another career that most people don't talk about. Data warehousing. Think of these professionals as the architects who organize the enormous amounts of information companies collect. Businesses need data to be stored, structured, and accessible so decision makers can actually use it. The source predicts approximately 49% growth in this field and cites a median salary around $110,000. This is a highly technical career, but it could be extremely valuable as businesses become increasingly dependent on data. Number 9. Security management specialists. Here's the problem with our increasingly digital world. The more valuable our data becomes, the more important it becomes to protect it. Companies hold customer information. Banks hold financial information. Governments hold sensitive information. And cybercriminals are constantly looking for weaknesses. The source projects strong growth for security management specialists and cites a median salary of approximately $111,000. So if you enjoy technology, problem solving, and security, cybersecurity could be one of the smartest areas to investigate. Number 8. Information security analysts. Closely related to the previous career is the information security analyst. These professionals help protect computer systems and networks. They monitor threats. They respond to attacks. They help secure sensitive information. And as more businesses move their operations online, cybersecurity becomes even more important. The source cites projected growth of about 35% and a median salary of approximately $113,000. For Africans looking for internationally transferable digital skills, cybersecurity deserves serious attention. Number 7. DevOps engineers. Software doesn't simply appear. Behind the apps and platforms we use every day are professionals making sure software can be developed, deployed, and operated efficiently. That's where DevOps engineers come in. They connect software development with IT operations and help companies release technology faster and more reliably. The source reports extremely strong growth in job postings and cites a median salary around $120,000. And because technology companies operate globally, this is another field where remote international work can potentially become an option. Number 6. Big data specialists. We're seeing a pattern here. Data. Data. And more data. Businesses are generating more information than ever before. They need professionals who can collect it, process it, analyze it, and turn it into useful information. The source estimates data-related roles could grow by roughly 30% to 35%, with a cited median salary of about $124,000. If you're choosing between different technology careers, data is definitely an area worth considering. Number 5. Robotics engineers. Now we're entering the world that once sounded like science fiction. Robots. Robots are increasingly being used in manufacturing, logistics, healthcare, and other industries. And somebody has to design, build, and improve them. That's the job of robotics engineers. The source estimates job opportunities could rise by approximately 30% to 40%, with a median salary around $125,000. The world isn't moving away from technology. It's moving deeper into it. Number 4. Fintech engineers. Africa has already become one of the world's most interesting regions for financial technology. Mobile money. Digital payments. Online banking. Cross-border payments. Digital financial services. Fintech is changing how people access and move money. And fintech engineers are the people building many of the systems behind this transformation. The source cites extremely strong growth for fintech-related roles and a median salary around $147,000. For Africans, this career could be especially powerful because we're not simply watching financial technology transform the world. We're already part of that transformation. Number 3. Electric and autonomous vehicle specialists. The transportation industry is changing. Electric vehicles are expanding. Autonomous driving technology is developing. And companies need engineers and specialists capable of building these systems. The source cites a median salary of approximately $159,000 for this category. As electric mobility expands globally, skills in electrical engineering, software, robotics, and autonomous systems could become increasingly valuable. Number 2. AI and machine learning specialists. And now we reach one of the most obvious careers of the future. Artificial intelligence and machine learning. AI systems can detect patterns. They can analyze information. They can help detect diseases. They can identify financial fraud. They can automate complicated tasks. And companies across almost every industry are investing in AI. The source cites a median salary of approximately $162,000 per year for AI and machine learning specialists. But here's the important lesson for Africans. You don't necessarily have to become an AI researcher. You can combine AI with another skill. AI plus finance. AI plus healthcare. AI plus agriculture. AI plus marketing. AI plus engineering. The combination can be extremely powerful. Number 1. Software architects. And finally, number 1. Software architects. These are the professionals who design the structure behind major digital systems. Think about the apps on your phone. Online banking. E-commerce platforms. Cloud systems. Government digital services. Behind many of these systems are complex software architectures. The source cites a median salary of approximately $259,000 per year, making this one of the highest-paying technology careers on the list. But reaching this level usually requires significant technical experience. So don't look at that salary and think you need to become a software architect tomorrow. Instead, think of it as a career pathway. You can start with programming. Then software development. Then systems design. Then architecture. Now, the jobs that are declining. But there's another side to this story. While some careers are growing, other jobs are expected to decline as automation and digital technology become more widespread. The source identifies several examples. First, postal service clerks. The source cites an expected decline of about 40%, largely because of automation. Second, bank clerks. As banking services move online and customers increasingly use self-service systems, traditional branch-based roles face pressure. Third, data entry clerks. This is another major warning sign. If a computer can automatically capture, organize, and process information, companies have less reason to employ people purely for repetitive data entry. Then we have cashiers and ticket clerks. Online payments, self-checkout systems, and digital ticketing are changing these roles. And finally, administrative assistants and executive secretaries. AI assistants and automation tools are increasingly capable of handling scheduling, booking, organizing information, and other administrative tasks. The big lesson for Africans. But don't misunderstand this. The future isn't necessarily about humans versus machines. It's about humans who know how to use machines versus humans who refuse to adapt. Some jobs will disappear. Some will shrink. But completely new jobs will also appear. The source itself emphasizes that declining occupations aren't necessarily disappearing overnight, many are evolving as technology changes the way work is performed. So if you're watching this from Africa and you're worried about your future, don't panic. Start learning. Learn AI. Learn data. Learn cybersecurity. Learn software. Learn digital marketing. Learn renewable energy. Learn engineering. Learn skills that allow you to solve problems. And most importantly, don't stop learning. Because the biggest advantage in the future may not be the degree you already have. It may be your ability to adapt faster than the world around you. If you're a young African looking for better career opportunities, international jobs, scholarships, work visas, remote work, and ways to build a better future, make sure you subscribe to Owafk Africa. Because here, we're not waiting for the future. We're preparing for it.